So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy the volume level to all the clips on Premiere Pro. Now for example, if I select this audio clip and under the effects control panel, I'll just simply set some volume level to it. Let's say under this audio section, I'll set the volume to -3 dB. Now once I do it, I just simply need to hit Control plus C on the keyboard while pressing on that audio. Now select multiple other audio clips that you want to apply the effects. Right click over there and here you'll see this option of paste attributes. Just simply click over there and uncheck all of it. Just simply check the volume panel right there. That means we are going to apply the volume effect to all other clips and hit OK. Now once you do it, you'll notice that all the other clips also have the volume set to -3 dB just by one click. You don't need to do it manually for all of the clips. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.